Good morning, all of you. Myself, Rajulal Soni, PGT Biology, St. Joseph Public School, Talk. Welcome in our online video classes. Today, we will start bio lessons of 10th class. Lesson number 6, life process. Topic name is mode of nutrition. सबसे पहले हम एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लें, लाइफ प्रोसेस क्या होता है। देखो, ऑल ऑफ द प्रोसेसेस विच आर एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ एंड कंबाइनली रन्स टू सर्वाइवल और अ लाइफ ऑफ अ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म are known as life process. It means there are so many processes which occurs simultaneously in our body for our life. If any one process will stop, our life will not survive. Therefore, we should have to start one by one all of the topic. एक थिंग याद रखिएगा, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की जब बात की जाए, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, तो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो टर्म है, कॉन्सेप्ट पे ध्यान दीजिएगा, ऑर्गेनिज्म जो टर्म है और नॉट फॉर ह्यूमन, इट इज आल्सो फॉर प्लांट. इट मीन्स प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स both, and all living things combinedly known as organism. Today we will only discuss about the type of nutrition. Nutrition, mode of nutrition. Mode means type. What is nutrition? Anything else which can be eaten or taken by a living organism to take or obtain energy is known as nutrition. Now, nutrition is a type. How many types of nutrition occurs in the world? देखिए, mode of nutrition. Topic name is mode of nutrition. First, autotrophic nutrition. Second is heterotrophic nutrition. Listen carefully. There are two major classes of nutrition. It means nutrition is classified in two classes, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? Listen. Any organism which synthesize their own food to obtain energy is known as autotrophic animals or living thing, and this type of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. What are the examples of autotrophic nutrition? These are the examples. First, all plants. Second, blue-green algae. Third, photosynthetic bacteria. Now, come to the question. Suppose that there is a question in our exam, what is autotrophic nutrition? Give two examples. Answer: all of the organisms which synthesize their own food to obtain energy is known as autotrophic organism, and that type of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition के examples: all plants. All plants means all green photosynthetic plants. Blue green algae. एंड थर्ड इज फोटोसिंथेटिक बैक्टीरिया. बहुत सारे ऐसे बैक्टीरिया हैं जो फोटोसिंथेसिस कर सकते हैं. they are just look like an animal, but they are not animal. They are behaves like a plant and perform photosynthesis. That's why they are combinedly grouped in autotrophic nutrition. Second is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition क्या होता है? Listen, organism which cannot synthesize their own food in their body to obtain energy, that's why they take food material or nutrition from another organism, is known as heterotrophic nutrition. There are three modes of heterotrophic nutrition. Saprophytic mode of nutrition. Second, Holozoic mode of nutrition. Third is second, and third is parasitic mode of nutrition. Terms ध्यान दें, NUT dot means nutrition. Saprophytic, Holozoic and parasitic. What are these three things? Listen carefully. Organism which obtain their food from other organism without killing them and without taking inside their body them. Example, fungi. You know fungi? Fungi occurs on bread at moist places such as wet peppers and clothes in rainy season. Fungi in Hindi फफूंद, आचार पे लगने वाली होती हैं. अचार पे जो लगती हैं फफूंद, वही कहलाती है फंजाई. मशरूम का नाम आपने सुना होगा, वो भी एक फंजाई है. Holozoic mode of nutrition. Organism which obtain their food energy by taking food material inside their body. Intake करते हैं फूड का. Organism which intakes the food to take energy are known as holozoic mode of nutrition. Examples, all animals. Third, parasitic mode of nutrition. Lice, जुएं क्या हैं? टिक्स ऑन डॉग्स, डॉग्स के बालों में रहने वाली छोटी छोटी जुएं क्या हैं? ये हमारी बॉडी में सर्वाइव करती हैं, रह सकती हैं, हमें मार नहीं सकती हैं. फर्स्ट कंडीशन, हमें मार नहीं सकती हैं. दूसरी बात, हम जो खाना खाएंगे उसमें से कुछ अमाउंट, वेरी लिटिल, दैट इज पार्शियल अमाउंट ऑफ द डाइजेस्टेड फूड, दे विल अब्जॉर्ब और सक. वो या तो चूस लेंगे या खींच लेंगे एंड दे विल सर्वाइव. दिस टाइप ऑफ मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन आर नोन एज पैरासाइटिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. लिसन, parasitic mode of nutrition, a mode of nutrition in which organism obtain their food without killing them to organism and take nutrition from their body is known as parasitic mode of nutrition. Example, lice. Example, ticks on dogs. Ticks on dogs. Thank you.